Okay, making pork roast today. Cooking it in the oven. Got a 8.5 pound boneless Boston butt. Spices. I'm making homemade rub here, which is just 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of ground cumin, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and a tablespoon of dried pepper flakes, which got these out of the garden this year. Just dried them in the oven. About a tablespoon of those. And then we're going to rub the pork with it. Pop it in the oven 250 degrees for 3 or 4 hours until we get a crust on there and an internal temperature of about 180. Then we're going to pull it out and wrap it and then stick it back in the oven for another couple of hours until we get a internal temperature of about 190, and we should be good to go. Already washed it. You're going to do it fat side up when you're cooking it. I do it in here. Some people use a wire rack at the bottom. I don't. So you'll have lots of juices left over. You save those for later as a dipping sauce. Let's get this thing rubbed. I use this little thing here to make the rub in so you can mix it up good. That's our rub right there. You want to make sure it's broken up pretty good. Your spices aren't all stuck together. I think I'm going to add some cayenne pepper to it too. This isn't really a set thing. It's just pretty much what you like in there. Taper it off to how spicy you like it. We all like spicy stuff in here, so that's what we do. I'm not going to add a tablespoon of pepper. I'll probably put 1 teaspoon and a little more. That's cayenne. Just mix it in there good. And let me rub. Okay, that's all rubbed in. Actually get your hands dirty and rub it in. That's why they call it a rub, not just toss. And let's stick it in the oven. Get it started. It is 10 o'clock right now. Okay, we're right at about 6 hours now. We did 6 hours. Got us to 180 degrees, or just over 180 degrees inside temp in the center there. Did a slight broil on the top of it, and then I'll turn the heat up to about 500. 5 minutes on the bottom and give it a little char. That's our dipping juices there, for save that for later on. Let me pull this thing out of here. Take a look. Okay, that's it right there. Looks pretty good there. Still bubbling a little bit. Nice and juicy. That's it. Let it cool off a little bit and we'll cut that thing up and eat it. Alright, that's it. Just gonna let it cool off now. If you like my content, subscribe, like, share, all that jazz. Appreciate it. Thank you.